to pair up the Bluetooth. So press the button, which is the select button, which is pointing towards the screen.
Yeah.
Bluetooth pair. Have you got Bluetooth on your phone? Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got Bluetooth on. Yeah. So press the Bluetooth select on your screen. One in the centre there. That's it. I'll press the select button. It'll say Bluetooth active. Press search for control panel. You'll see a blue icon come up. Just tap on that. And we should end up with a big and a green signal at the bottom. Sometimes on this it will drop out first time, which is bound to do. Still thinking about it. So this you do this once it's paired up. Once you just come in, you just look for the control panel.
I shouldn't have to do this
so
again.
yeah, that's it. But you still need to search control panel. You just don't need to. That's it. So if you just press back. So what you've got top left, you just tap on that as your battery power. That's it. So when that becomes clear, you'll see the icons light up.
Oh, okay.
So just wait till it goes clear. Then it's it might just drop out a signal in a second. It's taking a while to think about that.
Okay. So you could be the other side of the...
Right, this is just Bluetooth. You've got to be pretty close to the van or inside the van to operate Bluetooth. Okay?
Right.
Yeah. So just go on power again. Probably just...
I'll get back to you if
yeah, that's it.
Hold on to me.
Right, so this is what you'd normally do when you get into the van now. Just press that button where the signal is. That's it.
Okay.
Search for control panel. So this is what you would do each time you get into your van now.
Right, okay.
So press that now.
I'll do that, definitely. Brilliant, thanks a lot, Charlie. Cheers for ringing.
That's it, we've got the signal. Hopefully that should become clear now. There we go. So you can switch the 12-volt system power on and off from there. You could switch the vehicle battery if your vehicle is attached, but probably not a good idea. You'll end up with a flat battery. An AC limit, you can actually set an AC limit. So what that does, if you overdo the power, what it will actually do is trip the bollard on site. So if you switch a lot of electrical stuff on, electric kettle, toaster, hair dryers, things like that, all in one go will actually trip the bollard on site. You can actually set a limit. So what that will do is, if you set a limit, it will actually drop down the power on your boiler for that period of time, and then
keeps the power lowish.
As soon as that kettle clicks off, it will actually bring the power back up again. Okay. It will also show you your leisure battery setting there, voltage there. Look.
Yeah.
And also it show.
How do you get on that? Just click on either of these, like.
Yeah. I'll have to show you in a bit, but obviously we've connected Bluetooth on this one now, so it will also show the ampage that's going out as well.
Oh, right. Okay.
Okay. Just press back. The next one in the centre, as you hiding underneath that. That's it. Is water. You can switch the water pump on, but be very careful. You're doing that outside anywhere. You haven't got control of the taps. If the taps are being left on, you go and switch water pump on, you could end up with water anywhere.
So not advisable.
Probably better off doing that manually.
I'd imagine it would be just lights and heating you'd want.
Yeah, so just go back out of that one then. So the other one is heating, so top right.
Oh, he's trying desperately. He's trying, isn't he?
So he's tried me.
So at the moment we're on manual. Okay,
yeah.
So that's obviously control. That's where we're controlling from here. If I just come back out of there, what we're looking now is for heating settings. Okay, heater settings, select button. At the moment it says control manual, so we're controlling the heating from that control panel.
Yeah.
If I press to app
Oh, right.
and exit out of there, you'll see the control panel there go to sleep. You've got a little timer icon on the top of the screen there now. So that will catch up in a second. So that should go to timer, there we go. So it's gone to timer 7 now. So you can set seven individual days on a timer, or you can set one timer that does one day every day. What you can also do, if you're doing this remotely, obviously you can set override now, which we'll do now. So if you just tap on override, so if you imagine you're out, you've got this system set up on a timer. It's a cold day. You decide, oh, we'll go up the hill over there, and you go, oh, it's a bit cold. The timer's going to bring the heating on back on at 4 o'clock. You think, no, 2 o'clock. I'm coming back now. This is 1 o'clock. Yeah. So what you can do is go to override. You can select energy. So you just tap this select energy. So that's electric and gas. What you've got is time of operation. So that's really going to run for 1 hour. If you tap the centre one, tap that one. Select your temperature. So if you set that to 25, set that to 25. That's it. You could set water heating on as well, but we won't do that on this one. Okay. If you just press start, what that will do is then send a signal. You should see the heating system light up in a second. There we go. So C1, that's communicating with this.
Okay.
If you have a look at there, the override is now flashing up on that screen.
Yeah.
If you remember, we set to 25 degrees.
Yeah.
Crikey.
If you just click on there now, no, we don't want to click on there. So you see the gas and electric.
It's all together.
on heating on
Getting it
25
to
degrees.
25.
Okay.
That's amazing.
So that will run then for whatever set you've done. So it's set in an hour.
Until it gets to 25 and then.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it'll shut itself off thermostatically, or it will stop running and go back set back to timer after that hour of run.
Okay.
If you see the little icons there, got heating, it's got the play symbol, so obviously it says the heating's operating.
Yeah.
Stop symbol is against the water,
Okay.
so obviously we have no water heating operating.
Yeah.
To switch it off, just press override again, it'll go back to timer then. So then you see that control panel's now shut off because we haven't got a timer set, so it's waiting for a timer to be set.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay? Right, just come back out of there. So the next one we've got is lights. So if you can see on this side here, you've got very similar to that there.
Yeah.
And what you've also got is dimmer. Okay? So you can set dimmer light, which I didn't show you on there actually. I'll just go to... Right. So when you press dimmer level, or the dimmer main master switch, it will come up across the bottom of the screen. Or you just scroll up and down till you see that. You can set it manually by doing that. Okay, so it's up to 100%, or you drop it down 5% depending where you want to, or on the app. So dim 2, you see that now it's dropped down to 5 on its own. So if you just tap the dim 2 to right to the end, well, that's just switching off. Hang on, just wait for it to come clear again. So I get a bit impatient.
Yeah.
Right, just press,
Dim 2.
dim 2, just tap on that again, that's it, that will switch it on. So that's the dim 2, you've got dim 1 which is over the bed, dim 2 which is at here.
Yeah.
So when that becomes clear, that will switch it on. Yeah. So if you just tap on the slider 100%, that's it. So if you look up there now, that will should brighten up any second now when it becomes clear. Yeah. Or tap it back to the other end. So you just tap it or whatever. Yeah. So that's dim there now. So the same as the one at the back. So the dim one is obviously the slider there. Okay, you can also switch your warning light on and off from that as well.
That's quite a handy thing.
Yeah,
To be
so if you
honest,
come,
I'll probably use that.
yeah, and if you're doing that remotely, you can be scaring the crap out of the person who's next to you because you think the light's going up and down. Well, I don't know if there's anyone in there.
There's one outside.
That's one just outside the door.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
That's it. If you just press back, what you've also got is remote. So the blue one in the centre is remote, but we can't connect to that at the moment. Okay. So just all there a minute. Right. So if you can see they're all grey, obviously it shows you we're not connected.
Yeah.
You can locate your van. The locate one will show you exactly where on the mapping where you are.
Alright, yeah.
All right.
Hi, Dan.
Obviously it gives levels of battery as well and history levels of battery. Dealer, it will show our details on there.
Okay.
So right, if you just go back, if you see the head and shoulders one, just tap on that one. That's to connect remotely or to connect you. So you need to register with Swift Command. Okay, you will put an email address in there and a password. So all you do is tap in an email address and your password. All the other ones will self-populate once you've done that. So what you do is put them in, press get vehicle details. Underneath that grey bar you will see Sprite Freedom, your caravan underneath there. Tap on that, it goes to the top of the page, press save, then you will see it says connected. Okay, if you come back out of that one now, so this is always obviously when we manage to do that. If you press the blue one again, so when you've done that, that will all come up clear, blue.
Okay, got you.
Okay.
So,
You start using it.
The other ones, which are will still be grey. What you do is then press update, and that will light up all the rest of them. So the heating and the lighting. So that's when you can operate it remotely then, from that position there.
Okay.
So you could be on the top of that hill, as long as your caravan's is in a place where it's got a signal, and you are in a place where you've got a signal,
It'll
you can
work
communicate.
together. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
It's amazing.
What it will do though, when you update it, it will shut the Bluetooth off. If you've got the Bluetooth on, it will shut that off. It'll override it by bringing that in.
Yeah.
Okay. Just,
Locate's a good one, isn't it?
yeah. So if you forgot where you put your caravan,
Yeah. Yeah, I will. They look the same at the
yeah, that'd be a bit better.
True, yeah.
Right, if you just press back, what you've also got, once you've got that, once you've connected, you can actually view your manual.
Oh, right, okay. On
But obviously it recognises that it's what manual it is.
Yeah.
But you need to upload it onto your phone. So you need Wi-Fi to do that, because you see how thick that book is.
Yeah.
It's going to take a while, so you need Wi-Fi to make sure you've got that on.
Thomas, no.
Yeah.
Okay, you've also got alerts.
You gotta wait until the
Yeah, if you just tap on that one. So on the alert side of it, you need to load it. Obviously, we're not connected, so you won't be able to. But what you do is press load. That will light everything up then. The only things really it's going to do for you is it will alert you if your battery level's low. or there's frost alert. I would just be cautious on the frost alert side of it. If you're relying on that to tell you that your van's cold, if you've left any water in the pipework, it's probably too late because it's probably already frozen it.
Yeah.
If it freezes it, it pushes pipes out.
Okay.
When it thaws, it's just going to flood the van full of water. So don't rely on frost alert to tell you that you want to be draining your van.
Yeah.
Make sure it's drained down before.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, just come back out of that. What you've also got then is Swift. So the Swift icon, that shows you Swift website. Swift Talk, which is a forum you can talk about how happy you are you've got a Swift van. And then Swift TV is also, if you go on the Swift website, you'll see different products, and obviously it'll be the new ones coming out soon
Okay.
of what, showing the video of all them.
Yeah.
Then Swift Connect, that's if you're tracking any parts or anything like that.
Oh, right. Okay.
Okay, so back out of that, I think that's more or less it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully that's